Welcome to Tungal first PU online classes. In the previous class, we have discussed the 5 numericals based on this gravitation chapter. Now, today we will discuss the 6th numerical. What is here? A satellite orbits the Earth at a height of 400 km above the surface. Means from the surface of the Earth 400 kilometers height is given, right? How much energy must be expended to rocket the satellite out of the Earth's gravitational influence? Here mass of the satellite is given, mass of the Earth also given, radius of the Earth also given in the problem, and g value already we know that is also given in the problem, right? These all are given values. Now first of all, here listen here, first we listen the concept here. This is a Earth. The Earth is having the radius r. Now the mass already given, that is I am given as a me. Me means mass of the Earth. Now from the surface of the Earth to at the h height, at the how much height here? H height. Here at the h height there will be satellite, that is h height is 400 kilometers is given, here satellite is there. Now when the h height from the surface of the Earth, the energy of the satellite, we know that here the total energy of the satellite, when it is h height from the surface of the Earth, the total energy of the satellite is equal to formula. The total energy of the satellite can be written as E equal to minus GMM by 2 into R plus H. This is total energy of the satellite when it is height h from the surface of the Earth. When it is h height from the surface of the Earth, yeah, the total energy value is equal to minus GMM by 2 into R plus H. Right, how much energy must be expended to the rocket, the satellite out of the gravitational influence? Suppose this is a boundary of the gravitational influence. For example, I am consider this is a boundary of the gravitational influence of the Earth. In order to cross this boundary, how much energy we have to supply this satellite? That is the question they are asking. Here, how much energy is needed to cross the gravitational field of Earth? Means when crossing the gravitational field of Earth, the total energy becomes to be 0. But here total energy is minus GMM by 2 into R plus H. Means when crossing the gravitational field of Earth means the total energy we have to make the 0. How to this energy we have to make the 0? This is total energy of the satellite at a how much height here? H height. When this energy of the satellite becomes to be 0, it crosses the gravitational field of Earth. So this energy I want to make the 0. How to make the 0? Here this is energy is equal to minus GMM by 2 into R plus H. Means how much energy we have to supply here? Here negative of total energy we have to supply. Negative of total energy means here negative of negative means negative into negative, what is getting here? Positive. Or another way we are saying that here plus GMM by 2 into R plus H energy is given to the satellite. The total energy of the satellite becomes to be 0. When total energy becomes to be 0 means it crosses the gravitational field of Earth. This is a very main concept here, very important concept here. Now what is here? At h height, what is the energy here? Minus GMM by 2 into R plus H. Now I want to cross here or the satellite, what is here? Here the satellite is there. Satellite here, in order to cross the satellite gravitational field of Earth, how much energy we have to supply? Means when just crossing the gravitational field of Earth, the total energy of the satellite becomes to be 0. How we make the energy 0? We are adding to the GMM by 2 into R plus H. When adding to this value, the total energy becomes to be 0. When total energy becomes to be 0, the satellite is crosses the gravitational field of Earth. Means how much energy we have to supply? We have to supply the GMM by 2 into R plus H. How much energy must be expended, or how much energy is supplied to the satellite? Here how much energy we have to supply here? GMM by 2 into R plus H. That is a positive energy, positive GMM by 2 into R plus H we are supplying to the satellite. That satellite is crosses the gravitational field of Earth. Why crossing? Because of the total energy becomes to be 0. When total energy becomes to be 0, it crosses the gravitational field of Earth. This is a main concept we are using in this problem. Right, listen. First of all, listen here. Here, first I am writing here the total energy of a orbiting satellite. First I am writing here total energy of a orbiting satellite. Total energy of a orbiting satellite at a height h. Already know that the total energy of the satellite formula, we are already derived this formula in the previous classes. Now the total energy is equal to E equal to minus GMM by 2 into R plus H. Here capital M is the mass of the Earth, small m is the mass of the satellite. Now next, what is here? Energy expanded to the satellite. Energy expanded here, energy expanded in satellite, or energy expanded to the rocket, the satellite out of the gravitational field. That is how, that is energy is asking here. Now what is I am writing here? Energy, here energy expanded to rocket, the satellite out of Earth's gravitational field. Means how much energy we have to give here? We know that energy is equal to the here negative of the what is here total energy. Means that energy is equal to the negative of the total energy. Means what is here? Minus of negative of total energy. Negative of total energy meaning is what is here? Minus of, here what is here? Minus of total energy. Total energy is minus GMM by total energy. What is here? Minus GMM by 2 into R plus H. Now minus into minus becomes to be plus. That is GMM by 2 into R plus H. Already we know that. For this energy, how much extra energy we have to give here? GMM by 2 into R plus H. That is a positive energy. Here negative is there. GMM by 2 into R plus H. This is a negative when giving the positive GMM by 2 into R plus H. That is we are supplying this one. Now this positive energy we are supplying or we are giving to the satellite. Now the total energy becomes to be what is here? These two are cancelled, means total energy becomes to be 0. Total energy becomes to be 0 means it can cross the gravitational field of Earth. Right. Now what is here? Energy expanded to rocket, the satellite out of gravitational field is equal to minus of total energy. Minus of total energy means minus into minus becomes to be what is here? Plus. Means how much energy we have to supply the satellite here? GMM by 2 into R plus H. This is a positive energy. When negative positive cancel, the total energy becomes to be 0. When total energy becomes to be 0 means it crosses the gravitational field of Earth. Right, clear it is. Now here this is this energy we have to find here. Now how to find this value here? Here this is I am writing here. Right, okay. Now next again you are writing energy expanded to rocket. The satellite out of gravitational field, that is I am written as, that value is equal to Gmm by 2 into r plus h. This is first of all concept. Now substitute all the values here. First of all, height is given. Now given values I am writing here, or you can write first of all here given values, next we can make the calculation. Now here given values, what are the given values here? H is equal to given, that is 400 kilometers. H value is given, that is 400 kilometers. That 400 kilometers I am changes as H is equal to 400 into 10 power of 3 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Now next I am changing as H is equal to, this is 4 into 100 into 10 power of 3 meters. Now H is equal to 4 into 10 square into 10 power of 3 meters. Or this H is equal to, I am written as 4 into 10 power of 5 meters. Or another way I am writing here, this is 0.4 into 10 power of minus 10 power of 6. 0.4 into 10 power of 6 meters. Here this is 0.4 written, means here power is increasing. 0.4 into 10 power of 6 meters. That is H value given. Next, what are the given values? All are I am writing now. Next, here what is here this is, and radius of the earth also given, that is I am taken as r. R is equal to 6.4 into 10 power of 6 meters. This is the radius of earth is given. Next, mass of the satellite is given, small m. Ms means mass of the satellite, that is I am consider here small m. Small m is equal to 200 kg. Here next, what is here? Capital M, mass of the earth. Here mass of the earth is here 6 into 10 power of 24 kg. These all are given values. Now these all values I want to substitute in this formula. Now I am writing that one once again here. Here that is energy expanded to rocket. The satellite out of, here what is here, out of gravitational field. Out of gravitational field formula Gmm by 2 into r plus h. Okay, Gmm by 2 into r plus h. Now what is I am writing next? G value is already we know that is G value also given in the problem. That is also I am writing here 6.67 into 10 power of minus 11 Newton meter square kg power of minus 2. That all values I am substituting here. 6.67 into 10 power of minus 11. Next, mass of the earth is given 6 into 10 to the power of 24. Next, mass of the satellite is given 200 by 2 into radius of the earth 6.4 into 10 power of 6 plus height is equal to 0.4 into 10 power of 6. Why I am converting like this means, that is I am converting into 10 power of 6, because this is also in the 10 power of 6 is there. So easily you can we can take the 10 power of 6 common. So that's the reason I am changing like this, 0.4 into 10 power of 6. Okay. Now here this is 6.67 into 6. 6.67 into 6 value is equal to, here what is here, 6 7s are 42, 6 6 are 36. 36 means we are getting as a 40. 6 6 are 36 means 40. 40.02. We are getting that value is equal to 40.02. 6.67 into 6 is equal to 40.02 into 10 power of 24 minus 11 means 10 power of 13. This is I am writing here 2 into 100. 2 into 100 is 200, and 2 into 10 power of 6 taking common, remaining is 6.4 plus 0.4. okay, up to this one is clear. Now what is here? This 2 also getting cancelled. Now what is the value we are getting here? Right? Now listen. Simply I am writing energy expanded. Here energy expanded to rocket, the satellite out of gravitational field. That value I am calculating here. That is equal to here this value. That value what is we are getting here up to this one is here already we know that here that value is equal to here 40.02 into here 40.02 into this is a 10 power of 13 into 10 square. This is I am writing 13 into 10 square. This is what is there 10 power of 6 into 6.4 plus 0.4 is equal to 6.8. That is I am written as 6.8. Now what is I am writing next? What is we are getting here? This is 40.02 by 6.8 into this is 10 power of 15. 13 plus 12 is equal to 15 into 10 power of minus 6 taking into numerator. Now 40.02 by 6.8. This is near about when calculating. This value is equal to here 5.9 into 10 power of 9. Here 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. 5.9 into 10 power of 9 joules. This is the energy expanded to the rocket. The satellite out of the gravitational field value is equal to 5.9 into 10 power of 9 joules. Okay. Right. This is the sixth numerical. Next we go to the seventh numerical. As you have learned in the text, a geostationary satellite orbits the Earth at a height of nearly 36,000 km from the surface of Earth. What is the potential due to Earth's gravity at the site of this satellite? Take the potential at infinity to be 0. We know that already infinity potential is 0. Here mass of the Earth is given, radius of the Earth also given. Right. First of all, the height of the satellite, geostationary satellite is given. Means height of the satellite from the surface of the Earth is given. Now height of the satellite from the surface of the Earth means, now what is here? This is the radius of the Earth. Here satellite is there. That is h height. Means total height from the center becomes to be what is here? R plus h. Okay. Right. That height is given. Height can be written as, that is, this is a given values. First of all I am writing here 36,000 kilometer. 36,000 kilometers are given. This is I am changes as 36 into 10 power of 3 I am writing. 10 power of 3 means 1000. 36 into 1000 is equal to 36,000 kilometer. Now this is 36 into 10 power of 3. 1 kilometer is equal to 10 power of 3 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 10 power of 3 meters, or 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So the h value we are getting as 36 into 10 power of 6 meters. This is h value. I changed it first of all. And radius also given in the problem. Right, radius of the Earth is given, that is 6,400 kilometers. This is also I want to change here. Here this is R, we can write here 64 or 6.4 into 1000 I am writing. 6.4 into 1000 kilometers. 6.4 into 1000 means again 6400 we are getting multiplying. Now this can be written as 6.4 into 10 power of 3 kilometers. Here this is 6.4 into 1000 means again multiplying we are getting 6400. So we are writing like this. So 6.4 into 10 power of 3 into 1 kilometer is equal to 10 power of 3 meters. So what we are getting here, R is equal to 6.4 into 10 power of 6 meters. Already this value we know that. Right, R is equal to 6.4 into 10 power of 6 meters. The two values are we are changed here. Right, now we know that potential at h height from the surface of the earth. From the surface of the earth, what is the potential value at h height? Now this is the radius R. This is h height from the surface, means the total height from the center is equal to R plus h. Okay, the potential can be written as general formula. Potential is equal to minus Gm by R. R is the distance, small r is the distance of the, here what is here, any body or any, what is there, object from the center of the earth. Here distance of the object from the center of the earth is R here. From the distance of the satellite, geostationary satellite from the center of the earth is equal to how much here? R plus h. So in the place of the small r, we are writing here Gm by minus Gm by R plus h. So the formula can be changes as V equal to minus Gm by R plus h. Here R plus h is represents the distance of the geostationary satellite from the center of the earth. Now V equal to G value. What is the G value here? G value is equal to, we know that here generally 6.67 into 10 power of minus 11. That is not given, but we can take here, that is general value 6.67 into 10 power of minus 11. The mass of the earth is given. That mass of the earth is, I am substituting here 6.0 means 6 into 10 power of 24 kg. Now R plus h. R value already we know that 6.4 into 10 power of 6. H value already we know that, what is there, 36 into 10 power of 6. Okay. Now 6.67 into 6. In the previous problem also we are multiplied this one. Here 6.67 into 6. 42. This is 40 means 36 40 means 40.02. That is 40.02 minus 40.02 into 10 power of, here what is here, this value is equal to 10 power of 13, okay, by here 24 minus 11 is equal to 10 power of 13. Here 10 power of 6 taking common, 10 power of 6 take the common, remaining is 6.4 plus 36. Now 36 plus 6.4, what we are getting here, this is 42.4. Near about what we are getting here, 42.4. So this value V equal to here 40.02 into 10 power of 13. This is taking into numerator 10 power of minus 6 by here 40 point, this is 42 point, we are getting 42.4 here. This is 42.4. Here 36 6.4. 36 6.4 means 4 12, 42.4. Now this V is equal to minus 40.02 by 42.4 into 10 power of, here 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 is equal to what is here, 7. 10 power of 7 we are getting. Here 40.02 by 42.4. That value we are getting here minus 0.94. Here minus 0.94 into 10 power of 7 we are getting. Minus 0.94 into 10 power of 7. Here what is here, joule per kg. Here potential formula V is equal to W by M. V is equal to W unit is joule, mass unit is kg. So joule per kg we are writing. Right, clear this one? Right, this is a potential value at how much height here, 3600 kilometer. height from the surface of the earth, that is the potential value minus 0.94 into 10 power of 7 joule for kg. Right? This is a 7th numerical. Next, we will go to the 8th numerical. Calculate the acceleration due to gravity at a height 20 km above the surface of earth. Next, at a depth 16.6 km below the earth surface, if radius of earth is 6400 km. Radius of earth is given. Acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth is given 10 meter per second square. Height 20 km is given. Depth 16.6 km is given. Right. Now on the earth surface, g value is given 10 meter per second square. Next, height is given. First I am doing the height problem. A problem. Height is given 20 km. 20 km means that can be written as 20 into 10 power of 3 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. That is the height. Now, next radius also given. We use the radius here 6400 kilometers or 6400 into 10 power of 3 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 10 power of 3 meters. Now, what is asking here? At a height 20 km above the surface of earth, acceleration due to gravity value is asking. Here generally we use this formula. GH is equal to, here this formula is applicable for any height. GH is equal to G into R square by R plus H whole square. G into R square by R plus H whole square. This is for any height we have to use here. Right. Now, this is a formula applicable for any height. Now, GH is equal to, here what is here? G into R square by. Generally, G is equal to formula Gm by R square. GH is equal to Gm by R plus H whole square. Okay. GH by G when making here Gm by R plus H whole square by Gm by R square. In the derivation we know that. Here Gm cancel, R square is coming into numerator. So GH is equal to G into R square by R plus H whole square. This is already we done in the previous classes. Right? Now we know that this is G into R square by R plus H whole square. Now this is I am written as G into R by R plus H whole square. I am writing like this. R square, again we are getting same value. So here GH is equal to G equal to 10. R value is equal to here 6400 into 10 power of 3. Okay, by 6400 into 10 power of 3 plus H value is equal to 20 into 10 power of 3. 20 into 10 power of 3. Now I am writing here, this is here GH is equal to, wait here, this is GH is equal to, here this G value is equal to 10, R value is equal to 6400 into 10 power of 3 by, here R value is equal to 6400 into 10 power of 3 plus 20 into 10 power of 3 whole square. Okay, clear this is. Now this value I am changes as GH is equal to 10 into here 6400 into 10 power of 3. Here 10 power of 3 taking common, 6400 plus 20. Here 10 power of 3 getting cancelled. Okay. Now what is I am getting here? GH is equal to 10 into 6400 by 6420 whole square. 6400 by 6420 whole square. This 0, this 0 cancel. Now GH is equal to 10 into 640 by 642 whole square. Okay, 640 by 642 whole square. When 640 by 642 here, when making the here, what is the division? Now what is here? GH is equal to 10 into 0.99 whole square. 0.99 whole square. 0.99 whole square value is 0.98, near about. GH is equal to 10 into 0.98 something is getting, we are getting 0.98 I am taking. Now 0.98 means multiplying this one, GH is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. But on the earth surface they are given the 10, but at height, h height, at the h height 9.8 meter per second square, means here G height, in the when going to the height, G value gradually what is here? Decreases. Already we know that concept. Here our problem is correct or not, we can check from the final answer. On the surface 10 meter per second square is there. At the height 9.8, means some value is decreasing when going to the height. That is we are getting 9.8 meter per second square. At how much height here? H height. That height value how much given here? 20 kilometer above the surface of earth. When going to the height, the body is going to the height from the surface of the earth, acceleration due to gravity value gradually what is here? Decreases. Right, clear this one. Right, this is the A problem is completed. Next we will do the B problem here. Next we go to the B. What is the B problem here? See, here depth given, the radius already given here 6400. B problem 6400 kilometer. This is I am writing directly 6.4 into 10 power of 6 meters. Clear? Right. Or you can write here 6400 into 10 power of 3. Why writing like this? Means this is 16.6 is there. So we are writing in the 10 power of 3 meters only. Now D is equal to 16.6 kilometers. Now D equal to 16.6 into 10 power of 3 meters. Okay, 1 kilometer is equal to 10 power of 3 meters. Now at the D depth, what is the formula is there? That is the depth is given. At the G value already we know that G value also given as a 10 meter per second square. At the depth, formula GD is equal to G into 1 minus D by R. This is a formula. Now this formula I am applying here. GD is equal to 10 into 1 minus D. D value is equal to 16.6 into 10 power of 3 by radius. Radius value is equal to 6400 into 10 power of 3. 10 power of 3, 10 power of 3 getting cancelled. What we are getting here? GD is equal to here 10 into here 1 minus 16.6 by 6400. Okay, clear up to this one. Now GD is equal to 10 into 6400 minus 16.6 by 6400. Okay, right. Here 6400 minus of 16.6. Here 4. This is 3. This is 8. Means this is 3. Means 6383.4. Now what is we are getting here? GD is equal to 10 into here 6383.4. 6383.4 by 6400. Here this 0 cancel. Now GD is equal to 6383.4 by 640. Okay, when calculating this one, we are near about this value is equal to getting as 9.97 meter per second square. Here on the surface of the earth is 10 meter per second square. When going to the depth, how much depth here? 16.6 kilometer from the surface of the earth. Now the acceleration due to gravity at this depth, how much we are getting? 9.97. Means when going to the depth also, acceleration due to gravity value is decreases. On the surface 10 is there, at the d depth 9.97 is there. Means gradually the value is what is here? Decreasing. Okay, this is 9.97 meter per second square. Okay, this is here total problems completed in this PPT. We will discuss another one problem also is there, right? This is PPT is completed. Now we will discuss another problem here, that is I am writing on the board here. In the PPT the problems are over, 8 problems is there, that is completed. Now I am taking the one extra problem here, that is I am writing here 9th problem. Now the mass and diameter of the planet is 3 times of Earth. Planet is 3 times of Earth. Three times of the earth. Here what is the acceleration due to gravity? The acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth is given. Here find the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of planet. We find the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the planet. Here given acceleration due to gravity of earth means on the surface of the earth, that is given as 9.8 meter per second square. Means on the planet we have to find the acceleration due to gravity. Right here, this is acceleration due to gravity we have to find on the surface of the planet. Okay, right here listen, what is the given? The mass and diameter of planet is 3 times of earth. Means here consider what is the relate mass of earth is equal to me. Next to diameter of earth d and radius of earth here re we are considered. Similarly, mass of planet, that is MP, P means planet here. Next to diameter of planet is equal to dp. Next to radius of planet is equal to de. Radius of earth, radius of planet I am considered. Okay, radius of planet is equal to rp. Right, this is mass of earth, diameter of earth here, radius of earth. Next mass of the planet mp, diameter of the planet dp. Next radius of the planet is equal to rp. Now what is the given in the problem here? Here mass and diameter of the planet is 3 times of earth. Means mass and diameter of planet. Mass of the planet is equal to 3 times of the mass of the earth. Clear it is? Next, what is there? Diameter of planet is 3 times of earth. Means the diameter of planet is equal to 3 times of diameter of earth. Means here diameter is 3 times, means radius also 3 times, because here diameter is equal to 2 times of the radius, or diameter is equal to 2 times of the radius. R is equal to d by 2, or d is equal to 2r. Means 2 rp is equal to 3 into 2 re. Diameter is equal to 2 times of the radius. Now 2 getting cancelled. Radius of the planet is equal to 3 times of radius of the earth. These two are given. Means first of all I am writing the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth, that is GE I am considered. G is equal to GME by RE square, because general formula G is equal to GM by R square, but here mass of the earth is ME, radius of the earth is RE, so GE is equal to GME by RE square. This is the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth. That value also given 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, right. Now on the planet we have to find here. Now on the planet I am written as GP is equal to, here GP is equal to GMP by RP square. General formula GM by R square. Here when planet taking in the place of the M, MP, in the place of the radius RP I am writing. Now what is we are getting here? GP is equal to G, as usual I am writing. Mass of the planet. Mass of the planet is equal to 3 times of mass of the earth. Radius of the planet is equal to 3 times of the radius of the earth. Okay. Now GP is equal to G into 3 ME by here 9 RE square. That is, here 3's are getting cancelled, means this is 1 by 3 into GME by RE square. Okay. Now what is we are getting from this? Here I am making the calculation here. This is GP is equal to 1 by 3 into GME by RE square is equal to GE, but GE value is 9.8. So what is I am writing here? GE. So GP is equal to 1 by 3 into 9.8. 9.8 means we are getting as a, here 3 3's are, 3 2's are, means remaining 20, 3 6's are, 3 6's are. Means what is we are getting here? GP is equal to here 3.266 meter per second square. Here G is 9.8 is there, that is in the meter per second square. So GP also 3.266 meter per second square. This is a 9th numerical. Next, last one. Listen here. The orbital speed of Earth satellite is the orbital speed of Earth satellite is 10 kilometer per second. 10 kilometers per second. Find the escape speed. Find the escape speed of satellite. Now, escape speed formula V is equal to under root of 2gr. Orbital speed formula or orbital velocity formula under root of gr. Okay. Now changing this one. V is equal to, this is root 2 into root gr I am writing. This is root 2 into root gr, separate roots. Now this is V is equal to root 2 into root gr is equal to V naught. V naught is a orbital speed. Right, that is given in the problem here. What is the given here? That is orbital speed is given. V naught is equal to how much given here? 10 kilometer per second. Okay, V naught given 10 kilometer per second. So V is equal to formula root 2 into V naught. Now V is equal to 10, that is a root 2 into 10. Root 2 into V naught value given, that is 10. Now V is equal to 1.414 into 10. Now V is equal to 14.4 kilometer per second. Here listen, this is a relation between escape velocity and orbital velocity, or escape speed and orbital speed. That is a relation. V is equal to root 2 into V naught. That is we are finding using this formula. V is equal to root 2 gr. This is root 2 into root gr I am writing. V naught is equal to root gr. So V is equal to root 2 into root gr. Root gr is equal to V naught. So V naught value already know that. When substituting this one, we are getting as 14.14. What is here? Kilometer per second. Okay. These are the some NCERT numericals are completed. In the next class, we will discuss here what is their objective questions in our material. Okay. Thank you.